Hi, I'm Ian, maths teacher and creator of crackmaths.co.uk, and welcome to this short video on how to succeed in your Level 2 Functional Skills Maths. From my experience of teaching Level 2 Functional Skills Maths to adults and young people out of education, what I found is that being successful at your Functional Skills Level 2 Maths comes down to three key things. Firstly, clear instruction. Are you able to access clear instruction about all the mathematical methods you need? Secondly, plenty of practice. Do you have access to all the practice materials you need? And that includes practice questions where you can improve your skills, scenario questions where you can practice the skills in scenarios, and then exam paper practice. Have you got access to all of these things? Because all of these things you need to practice to make sure you're ready for your functional skills exam. The third thing is access to the whole curriculum. Often I'm working with learners that have had a lot of time out of education, and one of the key issues is that the course that we have isn't long enough to cover everything. That's why I've made crackmaths.co.uk, where I've broken the entire Level 2 Functional Skills Maths curriculum into 70 lessons. Now these lessons are varying in length depending on how long has been required to explain the concept. All of these tutorials have been put on the website alongside questions. These include both practice and scenario, and most importantly, it's got their answers. Because although people say practice makes perfect, actually, practice just makes permanent. So when you are practicing these things, make sure that you're practicing them right. The other thing that there is past paper walkthroughs. We all know that the functional skills past paper is a bit of a book. Each question's very in-depth. So one of the most important things that you can prepare is to make sure you've had as much access to this. On the website there is access to past paper style questions. And these are all free for you to use. There's no catch actually. So if you are taking your Functional Skills Level 2 Maths exam, make sure that you check it out. If you do use it and you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and all the best with your Functional Skills Level 2 Maths exam. Hope this has been useful for you, and hopefully see you in some tutorials. Okay, right, bye.